Hi there. In this quiz, you've got 12 questions, all about used to. Each question has 2 sentences, and you have to decide which one is right and which one is wrong. You have about 5 to 6 seconds before a bell goes, and then I give the correct answer. If you repeat after me, this will help you remember the grammar and improve your pronunciation. After each question, there is a short grammar tip to help you improve your English. Okay, let's go with number 1. I used to eat a lot of sweets when I was young. Number 2. I used to have really long hair. Number 3. We're used to the rain in England. Number 4. We're used to buying things online these days. Number 5. In the past, everyone would go to church on Sunday. Number 6. When I was a kid, this house used to be a cinema. Number 7. Did you used to like school? Number 8. I didn't used to work very hard at school, but now I'm a workaholic. Number 9. I'm getting used to living in London now. Number 10. Are you used to watching English movies now? Number 11. I wasn't used to driving on the right and I crashed the car. And finally, number 12. This old castle used to be the town prison.